Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download or install Telegram on Windows. First of all, open your web browser and search for Telegram. Then click on that link, Telegram Messenger. On this page, you will find the option Telegram for PC and Linux. Just click on it. Next, click on Get Telegram for Windows. Then your download was started automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click on this file. Then click OK. Now, click on Browse to select the path or folder where you want to install Telegram, and click on Next. Then click on Next. Once again click on Next and then click on Install. Now click on Finish. Now on the desktop here you can see that Telegram was successfully installed. Thanks for watching our video.